You can access the program's documentation directly from Revit, like with any other Revit function. Leave the mouse cursor over the command icon to display the quick info with a summary of the function. Then press on the F1 key to open the full documentation page online. You can also access the documentation via the Help menu of Sophistic Analysis and Design, which will lead you to the entire document. Should the documentation and available training material not be sufficient, or if you encounter a problem or a bug, or even if you have a development request, you may also contact our support team. In the Help menu, you will find a support assistant, which will help you submit your request. Simply follow the steps indicated by the assistant and send your request by email. The support team will then get in touch with you via email or telephone or online screen sharing. It is important to be very specific about your problem or your question and to detail all the steps that you have made. Please add additional documents, images, or screenshots to make your request as comprehensive as possible. Do not forget, our supporters are engineers like you. They can do a miracle, but they need information to work efficiently.